In this video, we're going to quickly walk you through how to create a test cycle in Zephyr.
The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the Test Cycles tab on the top menu. This will take us to the Test Cycles page. Then click on the New Test Cycle button. From here, you can name your test cycle and add a description as well. We'll create a test cycle for new features and we'll name it April Sprint. I will add a description. Then we'll choose a release version of performance improvements and choose a start and end date for the full month of April. If you would like to add it to a folder, this is where you would choose that same folder. I will choose Manual, New Feature for the purpose of this test. Then you can just click the blue Create button and your test cycle is created.
Now that you've created a test cycle, I can walk you through how to add tests to that test cycle.
The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the Test Cycles tab on the top menu. This will take us to the Test Cycles page. Then find the test cycle that you are trying to modify, then simply select it and click on the Edit button. This is where the details of the test cycle reside, including the test cycle name as well as its description. From here, let's add tests by navigating to the Test Cases tab. Here we can add test cases by clicking this button, and from here we can individually add our test cases to our test cycle. And we can even choose different versions of a test case. Afterwards, we'll click the Add button, which will add all our test cases to our test cycle. We can actually choose test cases from different projects in our Jira instance as well. Let's quickly do that here. I will choose my sample app project and add this test case. And there you have it. Now you just learned how to add tests to your test cycle individually and from other Jira projects.
If you want to learn more about Zephyr, check out the full walkthrough video or try it for free with the link in the description.